Place your phone on a pad, and somehow the battery begins to charge. No cables, no plugs, no visible connection. To most people, this looks like magic. But in reality, it's one of physics' most fascinating tricks. The secret lies in a discovery made almost 200 years ago by Michael Faraday. He found that when a magnetic field changes near a coil of wire, it can push electrons inside that wire, creating electricity. That principle, called electromagnetic induction, is the foundation of wireless charging. Here's what's really happening under your phone. Inside the charging pad, there's a coil of copper wire. When alternating current, electricity that rapidly changes direction flows through this coil. It creates an invisible magnetic field that's also changing. Now your phone has a second coil inside it. When that coil enters the magnetic field, the changing field pushes electrons around, generating a current. That's the moment power is transferred, wirelessly. But there's more. Your phone's coil isn't just randomly picking up energy. Both the charger and your phone are tuned to resonate at the same frequency, like two singers hitting the exact same musical note. When that happens, the energy transfer is far stronger. If your phone is off-center on the pad, the resonance doesn't line up perfectly, and the charging slows down. That's why precise placement matters. Once the current is inside your phone, tiny circuits convert it from alternating current into direct current, the steady flow your battery needs. In just milliseconds, invisible energy becomes real stored power. Of course, the system isn't perfect. Some of that energy is lost as heat. That's why your phone sometimes feels warm when charging wirelessly, and why it's usually a bit slower than using a cable. But the convenience of dropping your phone onto a pad makes the trade-off worth it for millions of people every day. And this technology doesn't stop at phones. Electric toothbrushes use it to stay safe around water. Engineers are building wireless charging pads for electric cars, so you might one day charge your vehicle just by parking it. Even medical devices inside the human body can receive power without wires, reducing the need for surgery. So the next time you set your phone on that pad, remember, it's not magic. It's Faraday's law, resonance, and the invisible dance of electromagnetism, all working together to bring your device to life. This is physics hiding in plain sight.